Hi guys, for today's video we're gonna cook tinolang tahong. How to cook tinolang tahong? By the way, I'm Valerie Daleo from St. Simon. This is the ingredients we need to use. First, heat a cooking pot and pour in cooking oil. Second, saute garlic and onion. Third, add ginger and basil and then cook for a minute. Fourth, pour in water, let boil. Fifth, cook for 5 minutes. Six, put in the spinach or hot pepper leaves. Cook for 3 minutes. 7, add salt or fish sauce and pepper. Stir. Last, transfer to the serving bowl. Serve, share, and enjoy. Happy to serve. Enjoy eating. Thank you for watching.